Welcome to the ultimate guide to PUBG Mobile. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, or PUBG Mobile, has become a global sensation, captivating millions of players worldwide. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know, from system requirements to gameplay tips and advanced strategies. First, let's talk about system requirements. For Android devices, you'll need at least Android 5.1, 1 and 2 GB of RAM. However, for the best experience, it's recommended to have Android 8.0 or higher with 4 GB of RAM. Make sure you have at least 1.5 GB of free storage space. For iOS users, PUBG Mobile requires iOS 9.0 or later. The game runs on iPhone 5S and above, but for optimal performance, an iPhone 7 or newer is recommended. Now, let's dive into some essential gameplay tips. Choosing the right landing spot is crucial. Opt for less crowded areas for a safer start, such as Lipovka or Milta. High-risk areas like Pachinki and School offer better loot, but attract more players. Mastering the controls is key to improving your gameplay. Customize your control layout to fit your playstyle and spend time in training mode to practice shooting and movement mechanics. Efficient looting is essential for survival. Prioritize weapons, ammunition, and healing items. Don't forget to grab a backpack, helmet, and vest as soon as possible. Always be aware of the play zone. The blue zone will shrink over time, causing increasing damage. Plan your movements to stay within the safe zone and avoid unnecessary damage. Using audio cues to your advantage can give you a significant edge. Wear headphones to detect enemy footsteps and gunfire direction. This helps in making strategic decisions and avoiding ambushes. Engage wisely with enemies. Avoid unnecessary confrontations, especially early in the game. Choose your battles carefully and aim for headshots to quickly down opponents. Vehicles can be a game changer. They allow for quick movement, but can also attract attention due to their noise. Use them for fast travel and as cover in open areas. Team play is vital in PUBG Mobile. Communicate effectively with your squad using voice chat. Share resources and revive teammates promptly for better team performance. For advanced strategies, get to know the maps thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with popular maps like Erangel, Miramar, and Sanhok. Learn the best loot spots, vehicle spawns, and hiding spots. Master different weapons by practicing their recoil patterns and damage output. Attach scopes and grips to improve your weapon handling. Use grenades tactically. Smoke grenades can create cover, while frag grenades can clear out rooms and flush out enemies. Managing your health is crucial. Always carry a mix of first aid kits, bandages, and boost items. Use energy drinks and painkillers to maintain health regeneration and gain a slight speed boost. By following these tips and ensuring your device meets the necessary requirements, you'll be well on your way to mastering PUBG Mobile. Dive in, strategize, and may the odds be ever in your favor.